I am going to give you an inside look of Hiving Surveys in this review and show you if join Hiving worth joining. I will show you around. I have joined it and tested myself, and I'm gonna show you exactly what it offers. So that's definitely legit service side. It will be worth it for you. You actually don't have to log in. You can earn by taking service fee, and when you log in, you can see that the estimated time and how many points you will get. And the main way to earn here, you don't actually have to log in to see the survey. Whenever there are new surveys available, you will receive a survey invitation, and there are definitely some opportunities, and you should get the regularly surveys. And it has some opportunities. It's not the highest paying ones, but you can make a little bit of extra money taking here, and you can also do these micro tasks. That's through what is called figure eight. You can access them over here, and in the beginning they don't care very much. It's like little one micro tasks you can do. You will gain trust as you do more and start earning money. And these tasks are offered through different portals. Personally, if I would recommend to also consider other sites. If you like these tasks, there are, in my experience, because there are sites where you get a little bit higher rewards. There are some potential business bonuses, and also they have a literally, it will be announced here on the website, on the blog, and that's basically the earning methods you have here, and you can increase your points as you can see here. If you invite a friend, you will get points and earn money. If you send an invitation, and it's not going to be a huge amount of money, think about it, you can earn a little bit of extra money if you invite your friends. This is a great platform. You can also add a little bit extra by inviting others, and again, the service is the main way to earn here. There are some ways to make a little bit of extra money here, but you of course also need to know how and earn extra money, but you need to know how to get the money out, and that conversation rate is kind of like 100 points equals 10 cents, so you can figure out if it will be worth your time or not, and also how much you will get for each survey and convert into cash. And you can see the payout methods you have, and that's where you can get a payout. That's where you can get paid into your PayPal account. It's an easy way to get paid. You can click here to get the paid out in cash. I personally think PayPal is a good way to get paid, and to get paid in cash through PayPal, you need to earn 4,000 points. That's equivalent offering for $4. And as we already saw, there is here the lottery, and you need tickets to start. So when the hiring service, that's the pay up methods, and definitely great that you can get paid through PayPal. So as you can see, you have had an inside look of hiding surveys, and if you like taking surveys, it does have some opportunities to earn a little bit of extra money. It's definitely a place where you can earn a little bit extra, and it's not the site that has the most opportunities in the highest rewards, and it pays out through PayPal, and that's what I really like about it. It has a low payout threshold, and also it has good opportunities in certain countries and even in certain Africa countries. Usually not a huge amount of opportunities, but it definitely can be worth checking out. Sometimes it gives you a good number of surveys daily, but there are survey sites in many countries that give more overall opportunities and also pay a little bit higher. It's definitely a service that you can start now, but I would recommend joining others if you want. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like, and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.